Hi, everybody. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How is
Good
everybody?
morning, ma'am.
How is everybody? How is everybody? Can you all hear me? Good morning.
Very good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow, such a good looking bunch. I love seeing all these faces. I wish I had a huge monitor. I could see all of them at one shot. Amazing that would be. All right. Anjali, anybody who's late, please make a note. We're going to begin. All right. Anjali, did you hear me, darling? Definitely turn on your camera, please.
Yes,
Hitesh, good morning. Somebody tell me about your yesterday. Somebody tell me about your yesterday. Who would like to tell me about your yesterday? Yes, Rakshita, please tell me.
Ma'am, I had a great day. I could finish all the activities, and the responses that I got were so innovative and so creative. I was myself shocked because I had gone through the activities 4 or 5 times and I had come up with various responses, but still, the responses that came, that was nothing that I had planned. And I was so happily shocked to see this like the responses that they were giving. Plus, all three of my mentees were participating and they were putting in efforts, and they were they were taking initiative, and then they were wanting to. I was really happy yesterday.
Great, I'm so happy. But tell me, why were you surprised, or what made you surprised by their responses? Because so
Ma'am,
many of you have told me, we were surprised, ma'am, we were surprised. But why were you surprised?
ma'am, in the like when I was sharing
Isha, I want
my screen,
attention. One
I was
second,
showing
Rakshita.
them.
Isha, I want attention here, here. Only here, okay, please? Rakshita, continue, please.
So ma'am, when I was sharing my screen, I was showing them the pictures that we had planned. One of my mentees wanted to show a motivational picture from her side. And then she shared her screen, and then she showed the picture, and it was such a beautiful picture. It was a tree that had grown stronger because it had amazing roots. So she was, and then she explained the picture, and I was so happy about it.
Amazing. Great, Rakshita. Thank you. Iksha, tell me why your camera is not on, darling, please. Tell me why your camera is not on. Arushi, would you like to share? Go ahead.
So, ma'am, we have our calls by the conference calls through so audio calls. We have our sessions, and ma'am, I'm just glad the way they respond. A lot of times the calls would drop, but they would text me खुद से दीदी call कट गया मुझे add कर दो. They were loving the session, and it's overwhelming that they are, even though I don't see them, they can't see me, but still they want to be in the session. That is
I love
really
that. Thank you, Arushi. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you. Nissi, tell me how your day was.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yesterday I had network and.
Nissi, can you speak up just a little? We can't hear you clearly.
Can you hear me now?
No, barely. And my volume's turned up. Okay, we'll come back. We'll come back. We'll come back to Nissi. We'll come back to Nissi. Who else? Sejal, tell me about your day. Sejal, tell me about your day. Unmute your phone, okay? Unmute your phone.
Ma'am, yesterday I learned so many things and I explained whole activity.
You explained
So,
one whole activity.
yesterday,
Yes, I heard.
yes, and from my from participants uh, response very good. They respond very nicely and they answer amazing. They answer all questions amazing.
I love that, Sejal. Did that make you feel good?
Yes, ma'am. So much.
Yes. I'm so glad I can hear the difference in your voice, and I'm so happy to hear that. Your
Thank you.
seniors, all of your seniors have had nothing but great things to say about all of you. My attention went because I wanted to pull up this list of amazing names that your seniors came up with of all of you who are doing such wonderful work. Some of you are doing 3 sessions in one day because different mentees are coming on at different times. Like some are coming on in the morning, some afternoon, some evening. We are reshuffling schedules. Bhumi, you didn't know that? Did that information take you off guard? Yes, you didn't know that. And that's why I was going to tell you that if you are someone who's willing to get on another coaching call once you're done with yours, then let your senior know, because every day we're adjusting someone's schedule based on the fact that their fathers took the phone to work, so they couldn't do it during the morning's time slot. So then we're doing it in the evening. For somebody, we're doing it in the afternoon. Somebody, activity 1 finishes, then they lose their network. So we have to wait 2 hours and do activity 2. So if you're someone who's willing to step in and do something more than with your mentees in the morning session, let your seniors know, because we're always then looking for somebody who'll step in. Like I think Madhya did 2 or 3, I can't remember, trainings yesterday, and she couldn't break her fast. She broke her fast 1 whole hour later because she was like, no, I don't want this child to go without their training for the day. So yes, seriously, Hitansh. So she didn't. So when her senior called her, she didn't even remind him that she's fasting. She just said yes, she did it, and then we figured out much later after she finished the session that she had to break her fast a whole hour later. So thank you, Madhya, for that. That meant a lot that you did that. But if you are someone who can help us out with these additional trainings, please let your seniors know. ISMI Kids, really, yeah, that really was so lovely, Misha. You're absolutely right. Madhya, well done. ISMI Kids, quick reminder that your reports have to go by 8 p.m. All right? Please don't delay your reports, because then it's a reflection on us. So and don't do your reports during your debriefs. Please don't do that. If you need your senior to delay the time of the debrief, or do it some other time so you can just quickly finish your report and send it off, please do that. But by 8 p.m. please send your reports, right? These are a couple of housekeeping items. Do you want to know what my highlight of the day was yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure you want to know the highlight of my day?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am,
tell us.
Okay,
Ma'am, tell
here
us.
was the highlight of my day yesterday. So I'm watching some of you conduct your sessions, right? Those of you who are taping your sessions and putting it up, your seniors are each of your seniors has their own Google Drive, and they're putting it up, and I'm checking it out. And yesterday I was going through Kulpreet's debrief with Satyam. And I hear her say, and Satyam's debrief yesterday did not happen with videos. So I was just listening to the audio, and I'm hearing Kulpreet narrate a story about how she started by teaching her kids the affirmation, like going through the affirmation. And then all of a sudden they were doing the picture is 1,000 words activity. All right. When they were doing the activity, she noticed that her kids were going down some path of child labor. So some image they must have looked at, and they came up with a child labor related story. And then one child was telling another, ये क्या होता है, government कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, this, and they were having this sort of conversation. And one of her mentees, not Kulpreet, right? Not the mentor, the mentee stops the other kids and says, अरे भाई पहचान में सिखाता है ना, no blame नहीं करना चाहिए, तो दूसरा स्टोरी बोलो. Yes, Ankita. Seriously, the mentee said that. The mentee said that, and the mentee got the other mentees to come up with a much more a story that shifted away from blame. How cool is that? Is that not so cool? I loved hearing that, Kulpreet. Well done. Clearly, however you taught the affirmation sank into at least one of the kids, that that kid could teach his other peers to step out of blame and take control. So I don't know how the story, what story they ended up making up, but it definitely was not one of blame. I thought that was amazing. I thought that was absolutely amazing. So well done, well done. I got to see lots and lots of different types of debriefs yesterday. I got to see Faiza and Niharika. I got to see Shraddha and Akhilesh. I got to see Hawa with her kids. And I must tell you, whichever ones I saw, I was super impressed. Super, super impressed. That how you all were engaging them, how you all were connecting with them. I'm actually going to be hopping on a few calls today with the mentors, and especially those who have mentees who are already leveled up. So I'm going to be hopping on those calls to help coach those mentors to leveling them up even more. So you will see that some of the mentees may have been shuffled around just a little bit. So we've tried to group them together by their levels. And so we have a few mentees who are really showing promise. So we want to make sure we're not wasting their time. So we're going to kick it up a notch. So yesterday we even found new activities for them. Should they complete today's activities really quickly, then we're prepared to do the next level of activities with them. Mohammed, what are our activities for today, please?
Ma'am, we have memory game, table topics, and Zoom Pictionary.
Okay, so we have memory, table topics, and Zoom Pictionary. Misha, tell me about memory game, please, really quickly, okay? Not a long drawn out explanation, just really quickly.
So ma'am, in memory game, we're going to show them images. There's two phases to this activity. In the first phase, the images are related to one another and they'll be given 30 seconds to look at the image and they have to tell the order of the images. But it's level 1 is relatively simpler because the images are related to one another. In phase 2, the images are unrelated to one another. So they have to think a little harder, but they get only 15 seconds to think of the order in which it was, and if they miss out on one or say something wrong, then the other mentee gets a chance to correct the mentee who went incorrect.
And
that
is
is
phase, right?
In
the third phase there will be pictures. The pictures will have, you'll have to find the differences. So
yes ma'am, I'm so sorry.
No,
yes ma'am, in that, so for example, if there's a pencil in image 1 and then there'll be a different pencil in image 2 and they'll be given 30 seconds to look at each image and then they have to give out
no. Phase 3, it's all in one image. It's all in one image, but there'll be 2 different types of erasers, 3 different types of pencils, a calculator with a number on it. You remember us looking at that in the training? Sorry, excuse me. It's all in one image. And there are a series of questions you have to ask about that image. All right? Misha, don't worry. Well done. Sometimes it happens. So just the phase 3 is one image with all sorts of different images within that image. And then they have to answer a set of questions related to that. Very easy to do if you are on Zoom. Quite easy to do if you are on WhatsApp. If you are on a call. On a call, how are you going to do that activity? What's the best way to do that activity?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, you may, please.
Ma'am, you WhatsApp them the image. I think. And normally after 30 seconds, the WhatsApp you can delete. You can delete your WhatsApp. So you show it to them for 30 seconds and then you delete it.
Jo kitli smart hai chokri. So we can try that, but that might also end up in their gallery. Even in the 30 seconds, it might end up in their gallery, but it's worth a shot. It's also okay, and there are only a few of you on the phone, not a majority of you on the phone. Majority of you are on Zoom and or WhatsApp. It's okay also to perfectly okay to describe the image. First there is this, second there is this, third there is, because you want them to recall. And you make it a little challenging for those people on the phone by saying recall in order. And then you can ask a difficult question. After the second image comes, before the fourth image comes, right? Because you've described it, let's see how much they can recall. Do your best with it. Do your best with it when they are on the phone. Hawa, do you remember how Zoom Pictionary is played? Please, can you tell us?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. We can.
We share the white screen on the board.
Yes.
And a mentor will be given a word. A family member will be called. And they have to partner up with them. And a word will be given. And they have to draw. And the team has to understand which object that is.
But how will they draw? You're going to give them you're going to tell them table and they're going to draw table?
No, they'll be on the chat room. They'll be given the word.
Okay.
I have it.
Okay, one second. Sneha, can you explain that a little more in detail, please?
Yes, ma'am. So this activity is divided into two phases. In phase one, mentees can team up with their family members, and the mentor will be giving them riddles, and they have to draw the answers.
That's right. In phase one, yes, in phase one, everybody listen carefully. Aksha, look at me, darling. Look at me. Very good. In phase one, they will be given riddles. You are giving both the teams the riddles at the same time. Whichever team is solving it first is going to draw it on the whiteboard. Okay, is going to draw it on the whiteboard. And of course, if the second team starts drawing, please let them finish it. All right. Remember to draw a line on the whiteboard so you know which team is drawing up, which team is drawing below, and they should choose two different color pens. So that if you're doing it on WhatsApp, they're just going to draw it and show it to you like this, right? That's what they're going to do. If you're doing it on the phone, you can still let them draw it and then tell you what the answer is, right? So we've given you all three ways, whichever way that you're doing it. All right, that's phase one, riddles. Phase two, please, Neha.
Yes, ma'am. So in phase two, mentors will be privately messaging a riddle and to the one mentee, and that mentee has to explain that riddle without using the answer to the another participant.
Actually, in phase two, you're going to be messaging the word, the actual word. There's no riddle in phase two. The riddle is in phase one. All right, the riddle is in phase one. In phase two, there will be a word. So pretend Anjali and Swara are my two mentees. I will message Swara a word. Without saying that word, Swara will give clues to Anjali. And Anjali will need to draw or then say that word. Got it? And then vice versa. Everybody understanding what I'm saying? Everybody understanding what I'm saying? Right? All right. So phase one riddles, phase two words. Now in phase two, you as the mentor might need to guide the mentee who's giving the clues. She might be stuck. She might just know one part to say, and so she's saying it over and over again. You are not to tell her what to say, but you can give her ideas or hints or guide her in that direction. Got it? Got it? So that's phase 2. These are your two main activities today, and you have table topics also today. Yesterday, you just did the beginnings of table topics. Today, table topics has 2 phases. Table topics has how many phases? Hold your fingers up, show me. Yes, table topics has 2 phases. Mohammed, what are the 2 phases of table topics, please?
In the first phase, the participants need to complete a sentence.
Yes.
So they will be given an incomplete sentence and they have to complete the sentence. And in the second phase, it's like a name, place, animal thing, where every participant will give a name for each thing, name, place, animal, and then we need to make that into a sentence, and then they have to form a story of that.
Thank you for explaining it so well. So phase 1 is that incomplete sentence. Do you all remember those incomplete sentences? And then they have to fill that in. Again, don't be quick to give them the answer. Spend time allowing them to think. Number 1, allow them to think. Number two, give them clues and hints along what they can use to fill in the blank. But please don't tell them the answer. Please don't tell them the answer. Lead them to the answer. This is day 3, guys. This is day 3. It's supposed to be a little more difficult. It's supposed to be a little more challenging. It's supposed to be like, Didi, I don't know. Didi, I don't understand. It's supposed to be like that. If you give them the answer today, you've undone what we did on day 1 and day 2. Remember what I taught you all about the endorphins, the adrenaline, the digging, the cleaning out, the right brain, the left brain. Do you remember all that? Here's where we get to start putting the new roads down. So if you take the shortcut and fatafat give the answer, we'll be losing the leverage we gained on day 1 and day 2. So be patient with them, guide them to the answers, but don't give them the answers. All right? Anushka, you with me? Don't give them the answers. All right? And table topics. That's what I'm saying for table topics. Fill in the sentence. Then the second one is name, place, animal, thing. If you are just 2 of you playing it, 1 do name, 1 do place, 1 do animal, 1 do thing. For those of you who have mentees who are starting to level up, take your second phase and do it in multiple rounds. Number 1, they will make 1 sentence with name, place, animal, thing. Number 2, you will make contiguous sentences, exactly what we did in the leadership session. Swara says one part, then Mayuresh says another part, Anjali says another part, and you say in 5 sentences the story has to end, and you look for that logical conclusion. Got it? Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. I see lots of sleepy faces today because I'm sure some of you have not gone to sleep when I told you to go to sleep. Excited for day 3? Excited for day 3? Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Listen, I have to, like in your language, give a huge shout out to the kids who are doing fasting and are still here. They sleep late, they wake up early, they do their prayers, they're not eating, they're not drinking, but they're here, they're present, they're coaching their mentees, and that's a huge, huge, huge level of commitment. And we seriously appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We see you and we acknowledge you, and we know that we are pushing you. And we appreciate you rising to the occasion. So thank you very much. Thank you to all of you. Thank you to all of you. Yesterday, Keisha and I had a funny moment in that for the first 10 minutes, none of the seniors were reporting back whether you all were on the calls or not. So we started panicking, is nobody getting on the call? What's happening? But the truth was everything was happening so smoothly that they didn't need, there were no problems. There was nothing they needed to report back. So that's why we hadn't heard from them. So thank you for making it so easy for us. And we're really, really, really proud of all of you. We're super proud of you. I heard in a lot of debriefs, someone saying, "Arey, like ma'am taught us to do, like ma'am showed us now that we should do this, so then we did that." I heard a lot of y'all, so that just encourages us that the trainings were time well spent, because you'll have clearly picked up what you needed to pick up from the trainings. Some of you have had challenging moments, heart-moving moments, and we are really thankful that you trusted us enough to reach out to us and speak with us and be so candid about it, and that your hearts are also growing through this. Your hearts are also growing through this. This is a good thing. This is a very, very, very good thing. All right. Any questions, comments, ideas? Keisha, have I forgotten to mention anything? Right? Anybody want to say anything? You have to just speak if you want to say, because I can't see every screen at once. I want to read out some of the names you're seeing. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, Avisha here. I have a question.
Yes,
I couldn't
please.
hear you properly when you were saying for the mentees who are leveling up, what do we do with the name, place, animal thing? Can you please repeat that?
Yes, Avisha, were you, thank you for asking the question, Avisha. Avisha, were you in that leadership session where the change makers stood in the front of the room and the audience, all of you shouted out a name, place, animal thing? Were you in the leadership session that we did that? No, okay.
No, ma'am, I wasn't there.
So essentially there's a name, place, animal thing. Say you're a group of 3 or a group of 4 or even a group of 2. What you will do once they're making the sentences properly with name, place, animal thing, you all will start to form a story. So pretend you and I are a team. I'm the mentee, you're the mentor. You will say in 5 sentences, we have to finish the story. All right. The mentee starts with a sentence, then you add. Then the mentee says, then you add. Are you not getting it? Are you not getting it?
I get it, ma'am.
You get it?
I get it.
Let's do this in 3 sentences. Let's do this. Where's Mohammed? Mohammed is on the same screen. Great. Swara, Mohammed, 3 sentences. All right? 3 sentences. Name, Sneha. Place, Mumbai. Animal, dog. Thing, hat. All right? Thing, hat. Name, place, animal, thing. Got it? We go Swara, Mohammed, Swara. I'll say it again. Name, Sneha. Place, Mumbai. Animal, dog. Thing, hat. Sneha, Mumbai, dog, hat. Everybody listening? Isha, turn on your camera, please. Ready? So Swara, Mohammed, Swara. Wow, talk about being put on the spot. Go, Swara, start.
So, very recently, when I was walking across the street, I met an old friend of mine called Sneha. She was very happy to see me. And she then told me, then she was wearing a hat. So I asked her about it. I asked her, where did she get it from? And she told me she got it from Bandra. And while she was shopping in Bandra, she also saw a dog on the street and she made friends with the dog. And then when she was going back to her hometown, which is
When she was going back to her hometown, she adopted that dog and took her to her home and she took care of it. And now when we are meeting, she told that her dog has become so big and still we are good friends. We are good in touch with each other.
And she came back from her hometown back to Bombay with the hat, with the dog. And that's how we met again very recently.
Okay, well done. Got it, Avisha? That's how it's done. They have to speak till you tell them to switch, then they have to switch and they have to pick up exactly where the person left off. Got it, Avisha? Say yes or say no,
Yes,
so I know. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Everybody got it?
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Everybody got it? All right. Yes. Bolo.
Ma'am.
Yes.
In Zoom Dictionary, what is the time limit?
What is the time limit for what we just did with Swara and Mohammed?
Zoom Pictionary she's asking for.
Zoom Pictionary. Mohammed, what is the time limit for Zoom Pictionary?
We have allotted 60 minutes, but we can complete as soon as we can.
Okay, great. Thank you, Mohammed. So 60 minutes, Razveen. Guys, that brings me to one point. Yesterday, one team went for 3.5 hours. That is not what we need to be doing, all right? You need to be finishing in a window of 2 hours. Maximum, if you go 2 hours, 10 minutes or something, okay, we understand. But we cannot keep these kids with us for more than 2 hours. That's why we remove the mentee call also, all right? So you have to track your time and finish in 2 hours, okay? Okay, all right, let's call this meeting to a close. Close your eyes, bow your heads, let's finish. Arey, affirmation karwano chahiye. One second. Hello, so quickly you all are ready to pray. So I have 8 minutes to finish this call. Who knows the affirmation? Vinita knows the affirmation. Where is Vinita? Vinita, are you on the call? How can Vinita not be on the call? It's not possible. Yes, Ishleen, ask your question while we're looking for Vinita. Who knows the affirmation beginning to end, please? Who knows the affirmation?
Ma'am, I wanted to know if anyone did the day 2 activities on normal call instead of a WhatsApp video call or a Zoom call.
Yes,
I did.
yes.
I had
I
to
did.
switch to a normal call.
Yes.
So could you give me suggestions on how did you conduct it, please?
So Ishleen, can I get them to connect with you right after this call and tell it to you directly?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Ishleen, who's your senior?
Anushka.
Okay, Anushka, can you get that coordinated for Ishleen right after this call with someone who did it on the phone so they can explain it? Mohammad, you should know the whole affirmation beginning to end. Should you not? Chalo, bolo do. Jaldi, 7 minutes hai.
We are India's promise. हम भारत का विश्वास है. We are India's dream. हम भारत का सपना है. We are India's hope. हम भारत की आशा है. पहचानो हमें. We are more than a skin color. त्वचा के रंग से अधिक. More than our religion. धर्म से ज़्यादा. More than where we live and more than what we do. पहचानो हमें. हम नहीं डरते. We are not afraid. हम किसी को दोषी नहीं मानते. We don't blame anyone. हम खुद के सपने देखते हैं. We dream our own dreams. हम खुद के मौके सर्जन करते हैं. We create our own opportunities. We stand boldly forward into the future we create for ourselves. पहचानो हमें. We believe. हम मानते हैं. हमें मानतो. हमें मानिए चाहिए. We believe in friendship, दोस्ती, in unity, एकता, in equal opportunities for all. बराबरी के मौके. We stand in the faith that education can create these opportunities for us. पहचानो हमें. मैं वो हूँ, she is me. मैं वो हूँ, she is me. वो मैं हूँ, I am him. हम एक है, we are one. पहचानो हमें, हमारी पहचान है आपकी पहचान.
Well done, Mohammad. Well done. All right. Here are some of the amazing names that came to us from your seniors yesterday. Devika, Akshika, Kulpreet, Niharika, Rakshita, Madhiha, Arushi, Shraddha, Ishleen. All your names were submitted for Mentor of the Day yesterday. Leveled up mentors names that were submitted were Saurabh, Razveen, Panya, Hitansh, Ronak, Madhiha, Sapna, Varshin, Kanishka, and Jyoti. These were the names that were submitted for leveled up mentors yesterday. So congratulations to all of you for a super job done. And keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. All right? Great. If there's nothing else, may we close in prayer, please, and go about our amazing days. Yes.
Ma'am, Khushi.
Yes, Khushi.
Rakshita posted an idea on the chat, and I don't think anybody noticed it, and I think it's a great idea, so we should do it.
I didn't notice it, darling. What did she post? And we have 5
she said we should clap for the students who are fasting while doing the Pehchan thing. Yes, like yesterday.
All right. If you would like to do that, let's do that. Ready? 1,
Thank you, ma'am.
1, 2, 3. Let's do it. Who's doing it? You're waiting for me to do it. Thank you, Khushi, for acknowledging that idea. Thank you, Rakshita, for thinking of that. Yes. Hi, Razveen. No. All right. Nobody else wants to speak? Let's do this. 4.5 minutes. I think we can finish. All right. Please Close your eyes, bow your heads. Misha, are you planning to run away? All right. No, masti karo, tikra masti karo. All right, chalo. Father, thank you so much for bringing us together. Thank you so much for connecting our hearts. Please watch over everybody who's putting their personal challenges forward and still moving forward with this work. We thank you for this amazing team, amazing family. May we connect with our mentees today at the level that they need us to. We lift up this project and this work to you. In your name we pray. Amen. Have the best day. Have the best day. Have the best day. I love you and I'm super proud of you. Go out and do something amazing today and come back with leveled up stories for us. Both your level up and theirs. All right? Come back with amazing level up stories for us. All right. See you. See you tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow morning. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Ma'am, all the best, everyone.
All the best, everyone.
Thank you, Mohammed.
All the best.